How to fix the Zwift Companion app not working. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how you can fix if your Zwift Companion app is not working. So in this case what you do is first open up the app and try to log into your account. But if the app is not working, in that case you can try to go ahead and open your settings up. And from your settings you can scroll down until you find your app settings. Just tap on it. And from your app, you could just scroll all the way to the bottom until you find your Zwift Companion app. And once you have the app, you can just tap on it and see if you've allowed all of the permissions for the app, because these are the permissions that the app requires to run smoothly. Then you can go to storage and then try to clear cache. You could also clear data, but mind you, it will delete the application's database permanently, all of the data, including files, settings, accounts, and databases. So tap on delete if you want to. And then you can go to battery. From here, you can set this to unrestricted or optimize. And once you've done that, you can just go back and then give your phone a quick restart. That should fix the problem. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.